trying to see. How low can you go? How low can you go? Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It is your girl Angeline. Today's video I am going to be waxing for the first time on camera with you guys. This is the kit that I decided to pick up. It is the HANSEN Wax Extra Strength All Over Body Kit, and as you can see, she's kind of thick. And there's actually a lot of really good reviews on this wax, so I'm super excited to try it. Not only that, but we are going to be plucking my pit hairs, and this is a very personal video. If you don't like personal videos like this, up close and personal things, maybe you should click out right now. And just to like give you guys some background knowledge on hair growth for me, I don't grow a lot of body hair. You can see my hair definitely grows, but I mean by underneath my armpits and on my legs I don't have much hair, so this might be a fail, but I just want to try it because I just heard that waxing is so much better than shaving. Okay, I don't know how to not be in an uncomfortable position when I do this, but this is my armpits right now. There's not a lot of hair, as you can probably tell. They are pretty long though, but yeah, that's how my armpits look like. Very up close and personal, as I said. I got it. Is it gonna show? But it's there. Okay, got the second one. Okay guys, so my armpits are finally clean. Well, this side is finally clean. As you can see, it's kind of red. I don't really know because there's nothing really to pluck on this side, so maybe I'm not gonna do it. Now what you guys have all been waiting for, I'm going to be waxing my legs for the first time on camera with you guys. I'm so happy to capture this. It comes with the waxing strips. Is that what it's called? Yes, it comes with these cloth strips, 20 of these. It comes with, what are these? 8 natural wood spatulas. It comes with this little bottle of, I don't know what this is, finishing oil. And then it comes with the wax, which comes in a jar. It comes with one of those like seal things. Okay, I just got done reading the directions, and you're supposed to take the lid off. Okay guys, after a hot minute of trying to take it out, I finally got the lid out, and it's kind of messy, but this is how the product looks like. But it's just microwave the jar of wax for 30 seconds and wait to cool before removing. Okay guys, I just got done warming up the wax. It's pretty warm. This almost kind of looks like condensed milk. But I'm going to lay a second layer carpet, or whatever you want to call it. I'm trying to see. How low can you go? How low can you go? But my legs aren't that hairy. So this is the direction. Of the, I am so scared, you guys don't even know. I don't know how thick or thin you're supposed to even do this. Okay, that looks good enough. I don't know which one you're supposed to put this. Okay guys, so something went wrong here. I peeled it too early, so I don't know what to do. Am I supposed to just like stick it back on? Okay guys, I'm back, and I put a new strip on it because it was still wet. I don't know when you're supposed to rip it off. I just missed the whole part when I was ripping it off. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Okay. Oh my god, that freaking hurt like a bit. Okay. Okay. Do it again. It's better if I don't look at it while I'm doing it. So let me do this one. Oh, shoot. 1, 2. Oh my god, ouch. That actually got a lot of hair. Okay, guys. A couple minutes later. We're gonna do this very quickly because I'm tired and I want to go to sleep. Wait. I think it was too thick. Look. That looks really thick. There's nothing really coming off just because I don't have a lot of hair. 1, 2, 3. Wait, 1, 2. Oh, okay. 1, 2. Okay. 1, 2. Wow, there's actually hair on this one. Yeah. There is some kind of like sticky residue. I don't know how to get rid of that. 1, 2. Okay, 1, 2. 1, 2. Yeah, there's a lot of hair on this one too. This one's a little cricket, as you can see. But we're gonna see how this works. Okay, this part has a lot of hair. So 1, 2. Ow. Okay. 1, 2. 1, 2. 3, 4, 5. Oh wow, there's a lot of hair. Well, you can't really see it because I technically don't have a lot of hair. Okay guys, so it has been, I think it's been 1 to 2 weeks, but I lost the ending footage for this video. After I waxed, I used the finishing oil that it comes with, and you know how like during the video I was like telling you guys that my lips were just a little bit tacky. Well, after I put this finishing oil, it like was completely gone. And this is also the kit that I bought. I bought this at Ulta for $13. The pain is all in your head. You know how I was saying like during the video like, oh my gosh, I'm so scared, I'm so scared, I'm so scared. It's up here. It's all up here, okay? It does not hurt. Well, it will hurt if you pull like a really strong hair, but otherwise I have very fine hair on my legs, so I didn't really feel it that much. Like it just felt like I was ripping tape off my legs more like. And so I would really rate my experience a probably 5 out of 5 for me, because after like a while of like waxing my legs, I got comfortable or used to it, so it didn't hurt as much. Unless like you have thick hair, it might be a different story, and it depends on your pain tolerance as well. I really like this. I definitely would recommend it to anyone who wants to wax their legs, their body, but I know there is a facial hair kit. But I love that. 5 out of 5 for me. Would recommend it to beginners because I'm a beginner, obviously. That's my final thoughts on this. I'd say that if you were interested in waxing and you've never waxed, really recommend that kit, because I know waxing can get expensive, especially if you want to buy like the bowls or the pots or something. I mean, I guess you can save money that way because you don't have to keep buying like these kinds of kits. I can try to find a kit that like has like a pot, you know, where you can just like do it yourself and buy the beads. So I'll try to find it and I'll just link it down below for you guys, because I have watched a lot of videos on that. And I think that's all for this video. Hope you guys enjoyed this experience with me of waxing my legs and getting very up and close and personal underneath my pits and everything. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys liked it, and I hope you guys subscribe to my channel. Also, don't forget to hit the notification bell so you can get notifications whenever I upload. And I guess I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys!